First cast, little whiting. Got some baities. Oh, that's seagulls. Right now is the time. Had a bit of a hiccup there. Probably cost us another drop. This is the best time to be fishing all day. Nothing beats this exact time right here. Seaweed factor's low. Oh, that was a good bite. Right on the peak right now. May have a fish on. We're pulling through seaweed, one of the two. Yeah, looks like it's a bit of seaweed. And a fish. And a whiting, that's pretty cool. Sweet as. There's some serious weed out there. To get another little whiting. I don't think we're getting much nib action on this. Sitting nicely. Would be awesome on this half moon. Pull in a beautiful snapper. This one will be dedicated to my dad. He's going through some dramas at the moment, but he's hanging in there hard. That's what we do. Might be some nibs. It's looking beautiful out there. See if there's any more whiting. Oh yes, there is. We may have one again. It's pulling through this seaweed. Isn't the best. And didn't get in that time. There's a fair bit of weed coming through now. So I'm not sure I'm going to send another bait because we haven't really had any nibs on it. Something may just absolutely inhale it. We're hoping shortly. That might have been a little nib. Pretty sure we're sitting above the waves. But we're out here giving it a crack, mate. That's what matters. Winter's slowly saying goodbye, which is what everyone loves. Bloody seagulls. That's the kind of bite I thought we were gonna get a huge fish. This will be our last cast in this spot. There's all that weed. Oh, look at it. There's a fair bit there. No, not happening today. Oh, that's seaweed. Alright, we'll bring this on in. Unfortunately, we need to make a couple more rigs, and that feels like a fish, but it ain't, baby, but it ain't. Oh yes, it is. Oh, we got little tar one. Yes. Definitely some bite action. Oh, first proper bite. Come on. Give us the last minute of the yes. Yes. Make it zing, baby, make it zing. Make it zing. Oh. Oh my gosh. Thumping bites now. Something's right there. Go. Circle hook's on, so we're just waiting for it to hook itself. I was praying it's not a stingray. Nah. Yes. Straightening. Get it presenting again. Wow. Wish you had more time. Oh, again. Got no weight now. So we just get sharked. Well, it was worth it to just see that rod have a bend. We'll continue packing up. Still something there. Seriously, just take it, man. Oh. Doesn't want to hook up. Or it's babies. Come on, baby. There's something right there. Beach is perfectly quiet for us too. Ripping bites. Oh well. You cannot win them all. Yeah, I've been stripped, I think. Oh, nibs. Nibs. Yes. Oh! Oh, that was the hookup. Might be onto something small here. Not snagged. Man, that was close. Not today, eh? Geez, we got close though. Still nibbles going on. Big boys didn't want to do it. If you're out there. Oh, we're onto something good here. This is decent size, I think. Oh, what have we got here? Let's go. Oh, it's pulling us hard. Didn't get a big zing, but it feels size. Oh. There's something on the cards here. Is that head shakes? I don't know. Oh. It's trying to pull us into reef. Still on. This could be a shark or a wob or something. Could it be the Holy Grail pinky? Perfect timing. Had to bring in the line anyway. Got some weight. Nice 60 centimeter pinky would go down so well right now. This one's for Dad. He's still tied up in hospital. This one's for you. Some serious weight. Looks like a pinky. I don't know what it is. I saw pink there. Or have we got a stingray? It's moving like a stingray now. No, is it two pinks? I think it's a pinky. It's just a baby though, eh? No. Yes! Yes! Woo! That's a size pinky. Yeah! Woohoo! Beautiful! Woo! Beautiful pinky. Awesome size. Beautiful. Woo.